Clean, 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 clean our jungle today.
Keep the litter far away.
Welcome back to Leo's Jungle School, where every day our friends learn something new and wonderful.
Good morning, everyone!
Good morning, Teacher Leo.
Huh? Oh my, our beautiful classroom looks very messy today, friends. Can anyone tell Teacher Leo, how did all this litter get here?
When we leave litter, flies and germs come to live in that dirt. But when we keep our surroundings clean and tidy, everyone stays healthy and happy. Litter and mess attract flies and germs, and those germs can make us very, very sick. And a clean jungle means a healthy body and a healthy life.
So today, we are not just going to talk about keeping things clean, we are going outside and we are going to clean our beautiful jungle together.
Look at our beautiful jungle, friends.
This is what happens when we do not take care of our home.
Every single one of us can make a difference, friends.
Let us, friends, let us show our jungle some love.
Clean, 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 clean our jungle today.
Keep the litter far away. Clean, 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 do your part. A clean home starts with a clean heart. Look at what we did.
Look at our jungle is becoming beautiful again.
Yeah!
This is what our jungle looks like when we all work together to take care of it. Keeping our home clean is not just one jungle. A clean jungle make the whole world a happier place.
And from that day on, every single animal in Leo's Jungle School made sure to clean home, makes a happy and healthy jungle for everyone.
3 things before you go. 1, like this video. 2, share it with a friend. And 3, subscribe so you never miss Jungle School.